Wheee Hosta, a delightfully ruffled addition to your shade garden. As a gardener with a penchant for unique and captivating plants, I was immediately drawn to the whimsically named Wheee Hosta. This wasn't your average shade dweller. Its wildly ruffled leaves, boasting a vibrant green core edged in creamy yellow, promised to add a touch of whimsy to any shady corner. But beyond its playful moniker and eye-catching appearance, I wanted to know more about this intriguing hosta. Would it thrive in my garden? Was it easy to care for? Could I propagate it to share with fellow gardening enthusiasts? In this article, I'll delve into the world of Wheee Hosta, exploring its characteristics, care requirements, and potential companions in your shade haven. What is a Wheee Hosta? The Wheee Hosta, Hosta Wheee, pp23565, a cultivar belonging to the Shadowland series, is a medium-sized perennial that boasts a truly unique appearance. Its heart-shaped leaves are a rich green, framed by a dramatically ruffled margin of creamy yellow. This playful edging extends from the tip of each leaf all the way down the petiole, even in young plants, adding a textural element that sets it apart from its smoother hosta brethren. As the season progresses, the creamy yellow margin matures to a cool white, further enhancing its visual appeal. How to care for Wheee Hosta? The good news is that Wheee Hosta isn't a fussy friend. It thrives in the dappled shade or partial sun typical of many gardens. Direct afternoon sun, however, can scorch its delicate leaves, so consider planting it beneath taller perennials or shrubs that provide afternoon shade. Wheee Hosta prefers moist, well-drained soil. Amending your planting bed with compost or other organic matter can help retain moisture and provide essential nutrients. Regular watering, especially during hot, dry periods, is crucial for maintaining its vibrant foliage. While Wheee Hosta boasts good substance to its leaves, making them somewhat resistant to slug and snail damage, vigilance is still recommended. These garden pests can wreak havoc on your hostas, leaving unsightly holes in their leaves. Organic slug and snail baits or traps can help keep these slimy marauders at bay. Is Wheee Hosta fertile? Yes, Wheee Hosta is indeed fertile. In midsummer, it produces delicate lavender flowers on slender scapes that rise above the foliage. These blooms, while not as showy as some other perennials, add a touch of elegance to the plant. However, if you're hoping to collect seeds for propagation, you might be disappointed. The seeds of Wheee Hosta, like many hosta cultivars, are often sterile or have poor germination rates. This doesn't necessarily mean you're out of luck when it comes to multiplying your Wheee Hosta bounty. How to propagate Wheee Hosta? The preferred method for propagating Wheee Hosta is through division. In early spring or fall, carefully dig up your mature Wheee Hosta plant. Using a sharp knife or spade, gently divide the clump into sections, each containing healthy roots and shoots. Replant the divisions in well-prepared soil, water them thoroughly, and watch them flourish in their new homes. What to plant with Wheee Hosta? With its unique ruffled texture and vibrant green and creamy yellow color combination, Wheee Hosta makes a delightful addition to various shade garden settings. Here are a few ideas for companion plants that will complement its beauty. Ferns. Delicate ferns, such as maidenhair ferns or Japanese painted ferns, add a touch of airiness and grace alongside the bolder foliage of Wheee Hosta. Heucheras. Heucheras, also known as coral bells, come in a wide range of foliage colors, from deep burgundy to chartreuse green. Planting heucheras with Wheee Hosta creates a stunning textural and color contrast. Foam flowers. Foam flowers, Tiarella cordifolia, boast delicate, white flower spikes that bloom in early summer. Their soft, low-growing foliage provides a perfect foil for the upright form of Wheee Hosta. Hostas with contrasting colors. While Wheee Hosta is a showstopper on its own, planting it with hostas that boast contrasting foliage colors, such as deep blue or variegated varieties, can create a truly stunning display. Conclusion. The Wheee Hosta, with its playful name, captivating ruffled leaves, and easygoing nature, is a true gem for the shade garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this unique hosta cultivar is sure to add a touch of whimsy and textural interest to your shady haven.